This is going to be a quick one, and this is what I'm having right now. And I was like, why not do a live and show you guys exactly how I do it. Sometimes I just talked to Jane. Jane stopped by and picked up some MCT oil, and she says, I'm not exactly sure what to put it in other than my morning coffee. So this is going to give you a different idea, along with other smoothies, of course. But we do have our Maca. I have Maca here on this teaspoon, and then we have Cacao. I'll talk about. Anyways, let's get into it. So I don't know what this thing is called. I think it's called a frother, and we got it from a friend. And you literally just push this button, and it like kind of blends up. Doesn't blend, but it just kind of mixes everything together. I don't have my computer next to me, so in case there's comments, I'll have to get to them after. But this thing is like magic. It's like it's so cool. So at any rate, this is what I'm going to use. If you don't have a frother, you can throw this all in a shaker cup. You can throw this in a smoothie to blend it up. This is just, like I said, this is just what I'm doing. This is what I like to do for an afternoon boost sometimes. So I'm going to put, we got this really cool machine called, it's called Almond Cow. Has anyone heard of it? So we're making our own almond milk in seconds every 3 days. Might seem like a lot of work because I said every 3 days, but it is so easy. So anyways, this thing has a max fill line. So I'm gonna fill this to the max line. So I think you can actually cool stuff in here and you can heat it. So I'm gonna heat it for this concoction. And so unfortunately, when it comes to plant-based milks, often that they put like carrageenan in there, they put natural flavors, they put sugars in there. Even though we've been buying plant-based milk for years, I'm not super set on it, and because of those ingredients. So we've also made our own for years. I actually have trueformlife.com/coconut milk. You can see how I make my own in the blender in a cheesecloth. Well, this Almond Cow is so cool. You just you put water, you put your nuts, and if you want a sweetener in there, you push one button, bam, almond milk, just like that. Comes in an awesome glass container. I don't sell those or anything. I just am in love with it. Okay, so we have our MCT oil. This is MCT, this is C8, this is caprylic acid. This is specific for brain health. So there's different chains of MCT oil. I've gotten into that in many times, so I won't bore you with that. But C8 is has the most benefits. So many times they'll have a palm oil as MCT oil. That palm oil is highly processed, actually causes inflammation in your body, like other cheap rancid oils, like most seed oils. What else can I tell you about this? So we call this brain fuel because it doesn't process. It processes differently. It doesn't go through your liver or kidneys. It goes straight to your bloodstream, and it can affect your brain almost instantly. So a natural energy boost, mental clarity, which is why I have it in the early afternoon. It's about 2 o'clock at the time of this recording, and have this about 2 o'clock, and it helps with that mental clarity. So early afternoon, kind of get a little bit tired, been working all morning, early afternoon, need a little boost, and so MCT oil is going to help with that, and that's why we use this every day. So smoothies, tea, your coffee, baking with it, you can saute with it on low. We've got all kinds of stuff I want to show you. So this is what's left over of our popcorn. So MCT oil, this is from last night. MCT oil, nutritional yeast, Himalayan salt. That's a fantastic little snack, and we were kind of snacking on this morning actually as well. So that's your MCT oil. So that's going to go in there. You put about a tablespoon. That's the serving. So 1 tablespoon per serving, which would look something like that. Okay, MCT oil off to the side. I'll put it on this side when I'm done. We're going to put our vanilla protein in here. This is the star of the show, I suppose, along with MCT oil. This is fantastic. There's no chalky aftertaste. There's no gas, bloating, indigestion. A lot of people that we talk to have been using cheap supplements for years, and they have digestive issues because of it, or they get a chalky taste in their mouth. You don't have to worry about any of that. These ingredients are fantastic. They are either or a combination of organic, sprouted, or fermented, which all help absorb and improve digestion. We also have plant-based enzymes in here. So I'm gonna put 1 scoop in here. And let me put 1 scoop of this in here. Okay, that's how simple. This machine is awesome. I don't know where you can get it. Don't sell those either. Okay, then we have Maca. I put 1 teaspoon of Maca in here. So that's already filled. And that's what it looks like. So Maca is, it's a root. It grows up high in the Andes Mountains, which is pretty cool if you ask me. The Inca warriors used to take it before battle because they felt it gave them a little extra energy and an extra oomph. This is what Maca is most known for, is energy purposes. It's also known for hormone regulation in women. It doesn't mean men can't take it. I've been taking it for years and I'm doing just fine. And what was the other one? Oh, so it's a superfood. It's a true superfood. Maca is an adaptogen, so it'll fill in where your body needs it most, so everyone will feel it slightly differently. And just for fun, I wanted to throw some chocolate in there. So we have vanilla protein, and I put, this is pure cacao. Now I threw up a reel recently, I don't know if you guys saw it, but there's a difference between cacao and cocoa. Cocoa is usually chopped up with all kinds of nasty ingredients. A couple, to name a few, is like milk products, sugar products, aspartame products, sucralose, that kind of stuff. So you want cacao. This is 100% pure. This is 1 single ingredient. This actually comes from Peru as well. Same as, I think the Maca does. At any rate, I'm just going to put a scoop in there. I'm going to put 1 scoop of cacao in there. So that's what that looks like, and that's 1 tablespoon. And that's it. Obviously, if I wasn't doing a video, this would take less than 5 minutes to put everything in this little container. You can do the same thing in a smoothie. But like I said, this is a frother. I'm going to push this button here, and it's going to froth in like 30 seconds, and that's it. It's so cool. So that's it. That's all I got. Just wanted to jump on here real quick and show you what's going on in my afternoon. I'm going to throw in 10 spirulina tabs. I'll swallow them. So I take 10 in the morning before workout, and then 10 in the early afternoon to give me an extra boost of energy, along with a good quality protein supplement and our Maca and our MCT oil. If you're looking for an energy boost, you don't need to look any further. This will offer all that you need. I'm going to enjoy this on the afternoon, in my afternoon, and I actually have a call in about 15 minutes. So I'll sip on this and enjoy a nice conversation. And that's it. Happy afternoon, everyone, and we'll catch you later.